Are you ready to unlock the secrets of wealth as the year comes to an end? December isn't just the final chapter of the year. It's a golden opportunity to realign your energy and set the foundation for a prosperous 2025. In today's video, we'll explore 6 lucky numbers rooted in ancient Buddhist wisdom that can guide you to abundance and success. Each number carries a unique lesson, a powerful ritual, and actionable steps to transform your mindset and finances. Whether it's the infinite opportunities of 8, the fresh beginnings of 1, or the wisdom-packed culmination of 9, these numbers are more than just symbols. They're a roadmap to your financial freedom. Stay with me till the end, and I'll reveal how you can use these lucky numbers to create meaningful change, boost your wealth, and welcome prosperity into your life. Plus, there's a special ritual for December 31st that you don't want to miss. So if you're ready to take control of your destiny and step into the new year with clarity and confidence, hit the play button now. Let's turn these ancient teachings into modern-day success. Number 3, the triple gem. The number 3 holds profound significance in Buddhist teachings, representing the 3 jewels: the Buddha, the guide, the Dharma, the teachings, and the Sangha, the community of practitioners. These elements form the foundation of a balanced and enlightened life, and their symbolic energy extends to all aspects of our existence, including financial prosperity. Why it's lucky. The number 3 embodies the principle of balance and harmony, urging us to seek alignment in 3 critical areas of life. Personal well-being. Your physical and mental health are the cornerstone of success. Without nurturing yourself, true prosperity remains elusive. Relationships. Strong, meaningful connections offer support, ideas, and opportunities that money alone cannot buy. Professional endeavors. Growth in your career or business provides the resources to sustain and amplify your dreams. When you focus on maintaining balance across these areas, you cultivate an environment where luck and abundance naturally flow into your life. How to use it. Harnessing the power of 3 in your financial life can create a solid foundation for wealth. Diversify income streams. Consider building 3 sources of income, such as a primary job, a side hustle, and investments. This reduces dependency on a single stream and enhances financial security. Categorize expenses. Divide your expenses into 3 priorities: essentials, rent, food, and utilities; growth, courses, tools, or investments that improve skills or wealth; leisure, activities that bring joy and recharge your spirit, ensuring balance. Set 3 financial goals. For example, aim to save a specific amount, invest in a new opportunity, and reduce unnecessary spending by a set percentage. By structuring your financial strategy around the power of 3, you align your actions with a universal principle of completeness and stability. Ritual tip. On December 21st, the winter solstice, a time of renewal and reflection, light 3 candles in a quiet space. As you do, focus on these intentions: gratitude for what you have, clarity in your financial goals, strength to take balanced actions toward wealth. The soft glow of the candles symbolizes the illumination of your financial path, dispelling any doubts or fears. Let this simple ritual remind you of the interconnectedness of your efforts and the abundance awaiting you. The triple gem reminds us that prosperity is not just about accumulation, but about achieving harmony in our actions, relationships, and goals. By embracing the power of 3, you create a balanced, focused life where financial success naturally follows. Number 7, the path to enlightenment. The number 7 is deeply woven into Buddhist teachings, symbolizing the 7 factors of enlightenment: mindfulness, investigation, energy, joy, tranquility, concentration, and equanimity. Each of these traits represents a stepping stone toward clarity. How to use it. Here's how you can practically apply the power of 7 to your financial journey. Daily meditation. Spend 7 minutes each day in silent reflection. Visualize your financial goals, whether it's saving for a dream project, eliminating debt, or building investments. This practice helps clear mental clutter and keeps your focus sharp. Evaluate habits. Use these 7 minutes to review your spending and saving habits. Identify patterns. Number 5, the 5 precepts. The number 5 is a cornerstone of Buddhist philosophy, symbolizing the 5 precepts, ethical guidelines that encourage mindfulness and compassion. These principles are refraining from harming living beings, stealing, sexual misconduct, lying, and intoxicants that cloud the mind. While their spiritual significance fosters trust and respect, their essence can also be applied to financial growth, offering a path to prosperity rooted in integrity and mindfulness. Why it's lucky ethical living is a magnet for good fortune. When you act with honesty and goodwill, you naturally build trust and attract opportunities. The number 5 reminds us that sustainable wealth is not about shortcuts, but about creating value for others while living with purpose and intention. Aligning your actions with these principles ensures that the prosperity you build is both enduring and fulfilling. How to use it to channel the power of 5 into your financial life. Focus on 5 actionable resolutions. Save a specific percentage. Commit to setting aside a portion of your income regularly, creating a financial cushion for the future. Pay off debts. Prioritize clearing outstanding dues to free yourself from financial burdens and stress. Invest in knowledge. Spend on learning opportunities that enhance your skills and increase earning potential. Number 8, infinite abundance. The number 8 is universally regarded as a symbol of limitless potential, with its shape resembling the infinity symbol, a loop of energy and opportunity with no end. In Buddhist teachings, it resonates with the noble Eightfold path, a guiding framework for a balanced and purposeful life. This path emphasizes right action, livelihood, effort, and mindfulness, all of which are crucial elements in building a prosperous and meaningful life. Why it's a lucky 8 is a number of harmony and flow, signifying that opportunities and energy are boundless for those who align their actions with intention. The Noble Eightfold Path teaches that the right choices, combined with consistent effort, lead to sustainable success. Similarly, in wealth building, the number 8 represents the infinite potential of diligent work, ethical networking, and mindful decision-making. How to use it to harness the energy of 8? Focus on actionable steps that align with its principles of abundance. Make 8 connections. By the end of December, aim to establish 8 meaningful relationships in your professional or personal network. Whether through attending events, reaching out to mentors, or reconnecting with old acquaintances, networking is a key to uncovering hidden opportunities and expanding your reach. Set 8 goals. Divide them across different aspects of your financial life, such as saving, investing, learning, giving, and growing. Prioritize actionable, measurable goals to stay on track. Practice 8 minutes of focus. Spend 8 uninterrupted minutes each day reflecting on your financial progress. Use this time to review your goals, identify areas for improvement, and visualize your desired outcomes. Ritual tip. On the auspicious date of December 28, perform a... Number 9, fulfillment and wisdom. The number 9 is a powerful symbol of culmination and enlightenment. In Buddhist philosophy, it represents the wisdom that comes from life's experiences and the readiness to embrace transformation. As the final single-digit number, 9 signifies completion, a phase where past efforts bear fruit and pave the way for new beginnings. Why its lucky 9 is considered auspicious because it embodies fulfillment and the rewards of perseverance. It urges you to reflect on the lessons learned from your journey, refine your strategies, and prepare for the abundance that awaits. Financially, This means evaluating your choices, identifying what has worked, and improving where needed. Wisdom gained through experience is the cornerstone of long-term success. How to use it to channel the energy of 9 into your financial life. Focus on reflection and strategic action. Review the past 9 months. Take time to evaluate your financial decisions. Ask yourself, what went well? What could have been better? This reflection helps you understand patterns and refine your approach. Focus on 3 key actions. Based on your review, identify 3 impactful steps you can take to improve your financial outcomes. These could include revising your budget, exploring new income streams, or improving your saving habits. Embrace gratitude. Recognize the progress you've made and the wisdom you've gained. Gratitude fosters a positive mindset, essential for attracting abundance. Ritual. Tip: on December 29th, amplify the energy of fulfillment through the act of giving. Choose a cause or person in need that resonates with your heart. Donate a meaningful amount, whether it's money, food, or other resources. As you give, set an intention. With this act of kindness, I clear the path for new blessings to flow into my life. This ritual not only spreads joy, but also creates space for positive energy and opportunities to enter your life. The number 9 invites you to embrace the wisdom of your experiences and use it as a foundation for greater success. By reflecting on your journey, refining your strategies, and practicing generosity, you align yourself with the cycle of abundance. Trust the process and let the culmination of your efforts guide you to new heights as the year draws to a close. Number 1, fresh beginnings. The number 1 is the ultimate symbol of new beginnings, unity, and focus. In Buddhism, it signifies the importance of mindfulness and being present in the moment, a necessary foundation for growth and transformation. As the year ends, this number encourages you to embrace the opportunity for renewal and to chart a fresh course for your financial and personal life. Why? Its lucky 1 marks the start of a journey, making it a powerful number for those seeking to realign their priorities and take decisive action. It's a reminder that every significant change begins with a single step, and by focusing your energy, you can manifest meaningful progress. The number 1 invites you to simplify, center your efforts, and prioritize your most important goals as you prepare for a prosperous 2025. How to use it: harness the power of 1 by committing to small, impactful changes that set the stage for long-term success. Dedicate 1 hour daily. Set aside 1 uninterrupted hour each day to focus on personal development. Whether it's learning a new skill, studying a financial concept, or reading a book that enhances your earning potential, this habit can have a compounding effect on your growth. Set a singular focus. Identify 1 key goal to work toward as the new year begins. Channeling your energy into a single, well-defined objective increases your chances of success. Practice. Mindful reflection. Spend a few moments each day reflecting on your intentions. This reinforces clarity and keeps you aligned with your purpose. Ritual. Tip: on the evening of December 31st, perform a simple yet meaningful ritual to honor the past and welcome new beginnings. Light 1 incense stick in a quiet space. As the fragrance fills the air, express gratitude for the lessons and growth you experienced in the past year. Set a clear intention for the year ahead, visualizing the success and opportunities you wish to attract. This ritual symbolizes unity and focus, aligning your mind and spirit with the energy of renewal and abundance. The number 1 is a call to action, a reminder that you have the power to create fresh beginnings. By centering your efforts, embracing personal growth, and practicing gratitude, you set the tone for a fulfilling and prosperous journey ahead. As the year transitions, let the energy of 1 guide you toward clarity. As we wrap up this journey into the 6 lucky numbers inspired by Buddhist teachings, remember, these aren't just digits. They're powerful symbols of growth, abundance, and transformation. Whether you're lighting a single incense stick to honor fresh beginnings or reflecting on 9 months of wisdom, each step you take aligns you closer to the life you desire. The magic lies in action. Use the rituals and practices we've shared to focus your energy, make mindful decisions, and open the door to endless opportunities. December isn't just the end of a year, it's the start of something extraordinary. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which number resonated with you the most and how you plan to incorporate these teachings into your life. Thank you for watching, and here's to a new year filled with clarity, abundance, and success. See you in the next video. Until then, stay inspired and keep chasing your dreams.